Nesy Concepts started as an export company where the idea was to export quality African bags to the international market and also to the local market. And then as we moved along, we realized that there was a need to register an NGO, a foundation, where the idea was to help young girls like myself who come out of schools, but they have skills, they don't have jobs. So then we have the Nesy Concept Development Foundation. So we have two things together working now. We have a little market in the US, and at the moment I'm going to the US as well to go and source for markets for the products. We have a little market in the Netherlands as well, and then we are hoping to get markets all over with time. The local market is not too bad because we try to give some of the products to the hotels around, and then they don't pay cash. They only pay when somebody has purchased from them, and that also ties our capital down, so it's quite challenging. We have 100 women, but then the nature of the NGO is such that we only work when we have orders. So the women do not work, they all live at the comfort of their homes. When we have orders, we contact them to give them jobs to do. So if we don't have work, they don't have anything to do. That's how it works. We produce bags, clothes, shoes, and then some of the women do the batiks for us. So we train them on the batik making too. So then we don't have to buy the batiks from outside. We have the women in the network who know how to do the batiks, so they do for us. We have women sewing, women doing the sandals, and then we do everything ourselves. It's been quite difficult, very, very difficult, because of the market and then the prices. So we try to attach the history, the background of how the company started in order to give price to the products. Markets, that's one of the biggest challenges, because if you produce and you don't have markets for the products, you are not doing anything. And we have equipment challenges as well. Machines, it's difficult because we don't have money to purchase those machines. So then the few that we have, they are unable to help us get what we want. And quality-wise, we need good machines to be able to work. We also have a technical assistance challenge, because if we get technical assistance on what we are doing, as in training on different subjects like packaging and bookkeeping and all that, it will help. I hope that we'll be able to get a good location where we would make a lot of noise about Nesy Concepts, where we can have the products of the women in the shop, so that when foreigners are coming to the country, they know that they can get to this shop and buy products that are going to help young women have a sustainable life. We also hope to have a good training center where the women will be trained on the job from time to time. Those who do not have skills at all will also be trained.